Hey guys, I've decided to make a video to try and help you learn the bones in the hand. There's a lot of little bones in the wrist area there, and a lot of you guys stress out over that. But first, let's just get oriented to where or what we're looking at here. This is the hand, the posterior side, as it says here. Posterior. That means we're looking at the back of the hand or the dorsal side of the hand. So that would mean these little bones that we'll go over individually in just a few minutes. Those are the carpals, and they make up the wrist. The next bones, these set, are just simply called metacarpals, and that's what makes the palm of your hand. The remaining bones are the phalanges, and those are just the fingers. So you have, the phalanges are broken down into three areas. You have the proximal phalanges, proximal meaning closer to the trunk of the body, remember. You have the middle phalanges in the fingers. Let's do that. Middle phalanges. The thumb doesn't have a middle phalange. And then you have the distal phalange. Distal meaning the furthest away from the trunk of the body. So those are the basic parts of the hand. So now let's look at just the bones in the wrist in a way that makes it a little easier for you guys to remember. I like to use a mnemonic, which is basically a learning device that helps you remember things. The mnemonic that I like to use makes it easier to remember the bones in the wrist area of the hand. And that mnemonic is, some lovers try positions that they cannot handle. And the way it runs is from left to right, these bones on the bottom. So this would be, some lovers try positions, and then back up to the top left and to the right, that they cannot handle. Now let's look at each one individually. Some is for scaphoid. Lovers, lunate. Triquetrum, positions, pisiform. That, trapezium. They, trapezoid. Cannot, capitate. Handle, hamate. So the first thing you need to do is you need to memorize the mnemonic, some lovers try positions that they cannot handle. And then you need to associate each of those words with the words in the wrist and where they are and the order that they go in. Remember, it goes bottom, left to right, top, left to right. So give that a try and see if that helps you guys out. Hopefully it will.